Regardless of size and industry, sustainable business growth requires diligent and strategic credit management. Dun & Bradstreet has developed a robust cloud-based solution for its clients, harnessing valuable data to transform risk into unprecedented business opportunity. Robin Ross has more.
Sales is a fast-paced, pressurised part of any business. This IT company has grown by a third in 5 years and is in the FTSE 250.
This financial year, for example, we shall trade with about 13,000 customers, and every month we're taking on between 150 and 200 brand new customers. So there's a lot to be done there and a lot of activity to make sure that those customers get taken on board successfully.
It's up to the credit assessment team to check out the risks of new and existing customers, from fraud and tax evasion to simply not paying up, as well as spotting new growth opportunities. Softcat uses Dun & Bradstreet's D&B Credit Advantage credit risk solution to ensure their customers can pay.
Green is good and a red is bad view, easy to interrogate and click through to the lists. Here you can see of your 300 or so million of exposed business, the risk of the company's failing on you. Moving over to here, it will show you how quickly they're likely to pay you, or the risk that they're going to pay you extremely late or not at all.
It gives individual credit reports and alerts if circumstances change. It also allows them to manage their customer portfolio holistically.
Within our systems like D&B Credit Advantage, we will pull together using cloud-based technology and give simple views that highlight the important, not the noise of everything, but actually highlight the credit manager to what they need to know when they need to know it.
As your company grows, every day you take on more and more clients, so you don't want to be fishing around for information. Time is of the essence.
Having a repository of information all there together is kind of valuable to be able to know that there's things that you aren't missing out on, gives you the confidence in a 5-minute period to make that decision.
Dun & Bradstreet's global commercial database is the largest in the world, with over 285 million records on businesses across 220 countries. Digging through company records manually can take weeks, but by assigning each company in their database to their proprietary Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number, information can be found quickly. And business can be won if there's a rapid response to a credit check.
Sometimes within the hour. We always commit to getting it turned around in a day, but often we'll get it back within the hour, and that's testament to the information that D&B provides us and how readily available and easily accessible it is on each customer's page.
Credit managers are facing greater challenges. In a survey by Dun & Bradstreet, 70% of finance leaders said there was pressure to not just manage risk, but to drive growth. And despite that, nearly 2/3 reported the size of their team had been cut over the past few years.
Dun & Bradstreet has been in the credit information space for over 170 years, and we critically see our role as promoting trade credit, not preventing trade credit, and acting as that catalyst that businesses can use to make the right decisions to extend trade credit as much as possible to their customers and prospects.
This trust and information gives Softcat the confidence to take calculated risks.
So maybe when some of our competitors don't want to trade with an organisation because they see them as a high credit risk, we'll also gauge that risk and assess that risk, but be prepared to step across the line and trade with a customer. So yeah, it helps us win customers, which is really, really important thing for us.
Small, medium enterprises in particular are at risk. Recent research conducted by Dun & Bradstreet showed the average is owed £64,000 in late payments. The prompt payment code has been introduced to give some protection. Being forewarned is forearmed.
Understanding the businesses you're dealing with within your customer base and your supplier base, we obviously want to see growth within our customers' base, and we want to make sure that we're a part of that in providing them with the right information, the right platforms and the right assessment for them to be able to do that.
Fraud alerts, so that was something that we requested to be available on the main customer screen as you enter the D&B interface for that particular customer. Previously it was a few clicks away, so D&B worked with us to put that functionality in so that we can see it on the customer's front page as we enter it.
More and more data is being shared across the world. Used correctly, it can both protect and help your business grow.